Now you can enjoy Star Trek and have fresh breath. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up this little tin of mints, the Unemployed Philosophers Guild, philosophersguild.com, and these are mints, and I noticed that they come in a variety of different Star Trek flavors here. These are pink peppermint dilithium crystals, fresh from the warp core. I actually think, they're fresh before they go into the warp core, where the dilithium is mined, and then it gets used up in the warp core as they are used to focus the matter-antimatter streams that, upon collision, create energy. Now, oh man, get this thing open. It's not as easy as an Altoid tin. It's supposed to hinge in the back here. Oh, there we go. Oh, and they are pink, and they're very, very small. So, in terms of Altoid sizes, they're like 1/4 the size, but I'm hoping they're those are pretty tasty. They're super hard and dense. I'm actually trying to chew it, and I feel like that's not a good strategy because they're very dense. They're pretty potent. Ooh, getting a lot of that menthol peppermint type of taste from it. I did bite into it, and now my sinuses are opening up. So I think a little goes a long way, as opposed to the Altoids, which are a little bigger, a little less dense, a little more chalky. These are pretty powerful. So a little small, pocketable tin of these dilithium crystal pink peppermints fit in your pocket, go with you anywhere, give you fresh breath, especially when you are going to, say, a Star Trek viewing with a lot of hot ladies and you want to look and smell your best. You're going to want these with you. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than